and welcome to my beauty lounge, also known as my room. Like you guys, I am trying not to go insane. I have a little brother and a little sister. My brother, he drives me insane a lot. My little sister, she's cute, but she's at the same level as my brother. I know you guys are going to tap it insane, and by tap it, I mean a lot. So let me help you while you help me by subscribing, hit like button, smack the bell. Anyways, today's video is about me redecorating my room again. Yes, again, because if you go to my other channel, Sunny Side with Leah, I have already redecorated my room, and I haven't done it in a while, and that was like 4 or 5 years ago. So I'm going to be redecorating my room since I have nothing to do at home. So let's get started. Okay, so it's not much. My bed's gonna be changing mainly because I got a new comforter and sheets and pillowcases. So I got a rug to put on top of my rug. I also got some things to hang up on my wall, and I also got new curtains. Have you guys ever noticed that it's hard to do sheets when you're by yourself? So this is 2 blue suitcases, and they just match the color of the sheet. And if you guys are wondering what that's on is, that is my sister. As you can see, my sister has always wanted to be a little helper. I did just have one big curtain, but I wanted to separate it into 2 smaller curtains. Hey guys, so I love this carpet. It is so soft, but the thing is, it smells funny, and I don't know why. Okay guys, so next thing I'm going to do is hang this up, but I don't know where to hang this up. If you guys notice, I did put lights on my bed. I did it off camera, so I didn't get to show you guys. Okay guys, so the sign has a lot of letters and a lot of cute designs, and I did positive vibes only because you guys know that I'm all about positivity. I want to show you guys that the sign changes multicolored like a rainbow, and it's really cool and cute. Okay, so the last thing I got is this blanket for my lounge chair, and I usually sit here to read a book or to sit here and watch Netflix. So I'm going to be throwing this on there. This is very soft and I love it. That didn't work. You guys know me, I love soft stuff, so I had to get a new soft blanket for my chair. Okay guys, so what I'm doing here is putting on my canopy that goes above my chair. Okay guys, so this is my desk slash work area for my business, and these are some of the things that I just put up here to get out of the way. So I'm going to be redoing this, but for a whole nother separate video, and it's going to be coming soon because I'm going to be doing it tomorrow. And I need to definitely spray paint my desk because I've had it for a while. And my chair, because my chair is just scratches everywhere. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this a lot. Today's positive message is be kind to yourself, your friends, and your family. So I hope you guys like this video a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, smack the bell. Bye! And also, I'm Maya. Say bye!
Bye. Bye.
Guys, so this is what my bed looks like with the lights on and my dream big above it.